Alright guys, so the Audi is about to get one of the craziest mods that I've ever done to it. I say it every video, but this is my 2014 Audi S6, and the mod that it's about to get, let's just say there's two of them, so you might consider them twins. They're silver, and they interact a lot with air. So the mod that we're doing, I actually have right in front of me, and I'm super excited to show you guys. But we are doing black mirror caps on the C7. So these are going to replace the OEM silver ones, and I also bought some sequential turn signals that are blacked out that we're going to be swapping out those clear ones for. So the OEM ones are again silver with a clear non-sequential turn signal, but with this update we're probably going to be adding some more character to the car, and it's also going to be fitting a lot better with the front end, because as you can see I actually have done a bunch to black out this vehicle, and after we get these thrown on, all we're gonna have to do is black out the trim around the edge and then do something about these wheels. But without further ado, let's go ahead and throw these things onto the vehicle, and then I'll go ahead and show you the results. And just before you guys say clickbait all that, that's not actually the upgrade I was mentioning. I'll show you guys what I was really talking about after I slap on these mirror caps. So we went ahead and removed the mirror. This is actually really scary because if you don't remove that right, you can actually snap the glass, and this is probably like a $200 glass lens, so don't really want to do that. Because I finally got this off. It was so annoying. None of the videos on YouTube even tell you the right way because they skip like every little thing, so it's super annoying. But now we're gonna slap on finally one side. Looks funny how it is now, but we'll show you like a little side-by-side comparison. All right guys, so 1 hour later we were able to place one mirror cap. I was having issues getting it fitted on, but I think the final result was pretty good. I did scratch it up here and then inside because I didn't have it placed right, but it looks a lot cleaner all black. What do you guys think? This is before and then that's after, but I think it looks a lot cooler. It is about to start raining, so let's see if we can hurry up and get this one knocked out. All right, I moved indoors because it started sprinkling outside and don't want to damage any electronics, but let's go ahead and knock this one out. All right guys, so as you can see, things didn't really go as planned. Now, I've gotten things from AliExpress, Alibaba before, and like I mentioned, these were a gift from a Santa or from a Christmas thing, but I was not able to get the driver's side on at all. If you see the passenger side, it would fit pretty well. Like, I was able to get it on. Now, I know stuff from China doesn't have the best fitment, but I've never had a problem where I wasn't able to get it on at all. Like this grill, that is also, I bought it from not China specifically, but the supplier just gets it from China, and it fit pretty good. I just had to make some tweaks, but with this I was not able to get it on at all. Everything was lining up like the clips, but right here on the edge close to the actual door, it wasn't able to clip into place, and it kept popping out every single time I pushed it in. So for now I'm just gonna put these back on, and yeah, I guess don't buy Alibaba, AliExpress, whatever mirror caps. I don't know why Audi makes it so hard. You have to replace the whole lens or housing instead of just getting like popping them off and putting them on like how a BMW does. Yeah, first mod of 2025 is already a fail, but at least the turn signal indicators on them worked good, so I'll be able to swap those. And all right guys, well, I came back inside, but unfortunately I was not able to get that driver's side mirror cap cover installed. I tried and tried. I finangled, mojangled, bajangled, every type of thing you can think of I did to that mirror cap. If my mirror cap wanted to, you know, have a case against me, they would absolutely win that, but I wasn't able to get them put on. But it's all right. Abby's letting us know it's okay. Could be worse. We could be missing a leg. Huh, Abby? everything's okay. I think she needs to just go outside. But regardless, I did end up getting to keep the sequential turn signals, so I'll show you guys how those look at least. But I guess I'm gonna have to source some OEM Audi turn or mirror cap covers, or at least some, you know, different types, maybe from a sponsor if anyone wants to sponsor me. But other than that, let me go ahead and show you guys what the turn signals look like. Why are you so stinking cute? Why are you so stinking cute? All you guys are cute. Even you, Chester. Yeah. So here we have both of our original caps back installed. And this is what the smoked turn signals look like. Yep. I mean, not the most interesting thing, but still pretty cool. I mean, they're a bit blacked out, so they do match out the car. Like I said, it's not what we were intending, so sorry it was a bit of a bummer video this time. I did mention to you guys, however, I was going to show you something special today, later on in the video. So for those of you that stuck around, let's go ahead and show you guys what I was talking about. So what I have in this box is actually very special and very cool. Before I show everyone what this is, just know it's not going on immediately, hopefully soon, but we have purchased some Audi S8 turbos for the C7. Here is the turbo in all of its beauty. They're not damaged, but they are used. Not everyone is as knowledgeable on these vehicles as people that probably own them, but you might be thinking, why did you buy S8 turbos? Don't all the S7s, S6s, R7s and all that have the same engine? They do have the same motor for the most part, with some slight differences on the higher end models, but all the RS6, R7 and S8 have larger turbos. So with that being said, the S8 turbos are probably the best of the bunch because they are, first of all, billet aluminum rather than a cast aluminum. And they're also ball bearings, so those two things combined are going to help the turbo spool a lot better and more smooth with less resistance. So is that going to make more power on this? The turbo upgrade in general, yes, but RS7 versus S8 turbos, probably not really. I think it's just a better turbo in general. But we just have a couple things we're waiting on this vehicle. Firstly, I had to buy some oil, gotta get some coolant. I had to get a PCV valve replacement. Also all the gaskets for the inside, and then an oil check valve, just so we can swap all that out and get all that maintenance out of the way and do it all at the same time. We're also going to be removing the oil screens on this car once we upgrade the turbos, or once we get to that point, I should say. But this year this car is going to turn into a completely different animal. I'm really hoping that I can get this upgraded in the first half of 2025. I also have a lot of other plans for the vehicle. Hoping I can get some sponsorships this year. Trying to get this channel monetized, so trying to get 1,000 subscribers. And I'm going to be posting a lot more on TikTok as well as YouTube Shorts and Instagram, so I'll have all the links down here for where you can follow all that stuff. But I am planning to upgrade some of my equipment for recording, so I'm trying to get a better speaker as well for my GoPro, and just all in all improving on the quality of videos. But regardless, guys, that's going to be it for today. I know today was kind of a different video. It was more like a vlogish style / install thing, but alrighty guys, yeah, there's not really much more to say. So don't buy Alibaba mirror cap covers, and yeah, I guess that's it.